What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Today's video is pretty cool. We're actually on our way to go check out a stolen recovery motorcycle. It's a Triumph 675 to be exact. But yeah, we are en route to the bank right now to pick up some cash, and then we're en route to the bike. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We'll see you here shortly. Guys just pulled up to the ATM, get the cash out. Oh, stack of 20s. Guys, check this out. I just bought this stolen theft recovery motorcycle. Walk you up in here and let you see a little bit of it. About to bring it to the house. It's a Triumph 675. For all my motorcycle people out there. Yeah, crazy, guys. Look at the tail section, busted. Seats missing. Supposedly the story on it too, the guy ran from the police on it and he wrecked and they got arrested. But yeah, crazy, like his ignition is completely removed. Golly, and then look at this is a hot wire job. As you can see here with all the wires. Insane, guys. But yeah, stay tuned for more on this when we get it back to the house. I'll update you guys. Yeah, check out the headlights on it. It's got a completely different front end. You can see it's missing a rotor on that side. Hence the long axle. You can see there, the axle bolt sticking out. But yeah, guys, pretty cool. Guys, this is epic. I can't believe we just bought a stolen motorcycle. But yeah, I don't know if I told you guys yet, but the motorcycle was stolen for 3 years. And the guy just got it back yesterday. And when he got it back in the condition it was, he's like, yeah, I'm selling this thing. So yeah, figured I'd let you guys know that. All right, guys, we're at the Benz, headed to the house. A little rev for you guys. Guys, check out the NSX. Woo! I actually know whose car this is. It's the top speed owner. Funny little story, this car was, one of his friends borrowed it that was partnered with him in business and blew the engine on it, racing a Lamborghini, supposedly downshifted the second gear and boom, blew the engine up, downshifted on the highway going too fast. Just pulling up at the house, guys, with it. Woo! Excited. The Benz there, looking good. All right, guys, we're just unloading it now. Get it off the truck. Does it roll pretty easily? Yeah? Yeah, 300 ZX. He likes the 300, guys. All right, guys. Got it unloaded. Give you guys a little look at it. It's not too bad at all. I think I'm gonna be able to fix this thing up easy. But we'll see, guys. Stay tuned. One thing I did notice on it, if you look, I've already pointed out the wheel, but there's another thing I noticed over here. You can see this side cover is cracked and all beat up. Yeah, pegs busted here. Yeah, guys, very exciting. Very exciting. Oh, and the wheel back here, you can see this. Not only is the tire bald, but the wheel's bent. Crazy. Motorcycle thieves. Yeah. It's got some dents in the tank here, you can see too. Not too bad, but it is a little beat up. Guys, I just noticed this. Look at this battery. It's like an oversized battery and you put a bracket on it. And then look at this, it gets worse. The screws that hold the battery in, I don't know if you can see this, but they're like screwed in sideways. Like, Oh my gosh. Insane. What was this guy thinking? Come on, man. Check out this bodywork here, guys. It was all bondoed back together. You can see the headlight. They try to fix it with some sort of repair stuff, but yeah, insane, guys, to see something like that. And then the front wheel here, this is actually not even the right wheel for it. You can see it doesn't have a spot for a rotor to mount up. So yeah, we're gonna be needing to get a new wheel for it as well. It doesn't, you can see the brake is kind of just hanging there. But this side does have a rotor on it. It also is missing a fender, you can see there on the front. The wiring down here too, guys. Insane to see all this stuff all just torn apart. And then one more time with the ignition. Craziness. On and off. But yeah, guys, check out this rear wheel. When he actually wrecked and the police chase came to an end, you can see how bent it got. I think it was actually bent before, because if you look at it, you can see it's got some sort of like a sealant on there. I'm assuming it was bent and it was attempted to be fixed, and then when it was wrecked, finally, it did a little bit more damage. But yeah, guys, pretty crazy to look at this thing. Go ahead and kick it off here with the switch. Too crazy. But yeah, guys, another thing that we've done, we've removed the rope that you can see that was here before. That rope was actually kind of like holding this, what they call it is a fairing stay bracket that goes here. It's actually the ram air as well on this bike, where the intake where the air goes in. But yeah, they have it modified with a metal bracket. I can show you from this side as well. But yeah, pretty crazy, guys. Okay, guys, check this out. This is actually like the tow receipt. You can see it says up here the date when it was picked up, released 10/5/21 at 3:22 p.m. Fort Worth, Texas. You can see here the dispatch time of the tow truck was 10/1/21 at 10:47 p.m. And then you can see when it arrived on site, and then when it arrived to the tow yard at 12:11 a.m. Early that next morning. Yeah, guys, the total of it was $219. You can see here too that it was evidence on hold, because yeah, this bike was used in a motorcycle police chase, stolen motorcycle, and yeah, the guy was caught and put in jail. Pretty crazy, guys. All right, guys, check out the functionality of the gas cap. You pull this out, you lift up, and voila, you can put in gas. But yeah, crazy. They completely drilled out the gas cap lock. So in order to put it back, you pop it in there, slide that in, you're good to go. Guys, check this out. We just took the seat off, and Paxton's like, is that a rope? But yeah, they had a rope holding on the front seat. Too cool, or too funny. And then look at this, guys. This is the other thing that we noticed it's funny. Check out that craftsmanship. They made a seat. And what is the seat made out of?
It's like floor tile you buy from Walmart.
Yeah, floor tile, guys. Like floor padding. But yeah, look at that seat, literally. And then the bungee cord was holding it on the backside. So then this was here, and then the rope was like, hold it. But yeah, too funny, guys. What's up, guys? It's a new day, and we have made some progress on the motorcycle. You can see here underneath the seat, we got all those bungees and stuff removed off of there. We got the positive mounted on there properly. And then you can see the negative wire. We don't have that one hooked up yet, just because we like to disconnect it, but we'll connect it there because we are about to start this thing for you. But yeah, so we'll slide it in there. If I can get it in, there it goes. But yeah, and then right here, you will see we have our ignition wired up. So what we'll do there is we're gonna flip this switch real quick before we flip that. Paxton, go ahead and flip that for us. Boom, we got power. And check this out, guys. We got a total of 9,727 miles. Another thing to note, this bike was stolen when it had 8,000 miles on it. So basically that, in that time, the 3 years that the guy had it, he put around basically a little under 2,000 miles, which is crazy to be able to do all the damage to the bike that he did. But yeah, pretty crazy, guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get a start up here for you. right, guys, just like that, this video is coming to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I had a blast as always making it for you guys. But hey guys, if you all are new to the channel and haven't already subscribed, be sure to do that now. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button. But until then guys, we will see you in the next one. Peace!